Thank you so much, Mr. Bhuturia. That was very insightful. May I request Ms. Poonam Mahajan, Member of Parliament and National Secretary of the BJP, to give the keynote address.
Thank you, Divya ji. मंच पर आसनस्थ परम आदरणीय, who's been young, beautiful, vivacious, brilliant, and full of energy, who gives me energy, I give back her energy, always, infectious energy. Your president, FICCI for President, Neeta Bhutra ji. Sandeep ji, my friend, a blogger, a world traveler, always was, is, and would like to work for the external affairs, always been teaching me also a lot about it. And he spoke so much for women. I said, ठीक है, आप बैठ जाओ, मैं मर्दों के लिए बोल देती हूँ. दिव्या सूरी सिंह जी, मंजू प्रकाश जी, आदरणीय अमर सिंह अंकल जी, यहाँ पे बैठी हुई सारी नारी शक्ति. Usually it never happens. There are more women and more women and less men. But this is what I'm seeing it today. I feel really proud and more empowered to see the actual strength of women under one roof and few men here and there sprinkled around. So that's really good. Thank you very much. I will start because I've got a keynote address, and you know how a politician handles the mic. So it's a Purana Rishta. Thank you very much, all of you. Congratulations. Thank you very much for having me here. Actually, FICCI Flow and me, it's not a very old relationship. My father's spoken for FICCI. He's always been there. I'm not going forward. The legacy I have to carry, or I have to say what I am, all I am because of him, or what I have to do forward, what you are because of whom and with whom you're standing by. I always believe in one thing. मैंने पिछली बार भी FICCI Flow के मुंबई के कार्यक्रम में आके नीता जी को भी कहा था. I told Neeta ji that she's doing a fantastic job, and I feel so proud to connect with women who have some kind of inner strength. Every woman has an inner strength. It's very natural for a woman because she's biologically strong. Maybe outside physically she might not be strong as men are, but mentally she's very strong. She can take things forward. She can actually biologically, scientifically proven multitask, which men can't. There are a lot of things about a woman which we cherish, and we always been speaking in speeches. Maybe you must be hearing what I'm saying many a times. What I liked under roof, see the best of designers all around here, and the summer collection has arrived. The shoes, the bags. I said, okay, that's what I wanted to wear. Okay, this is what she's wearing, Manish. Okay, she's wearing this. So I'm just enjoying seeing all these vivacious, strong women with the identity, not because of their exterior part, but the inner strength which FICCI Flow is doing it for years and years. And why I'm so connected to Neeta ji? It is not because FICCI Flow is, I'm really grateful to all of you to have me here second time. First for Mumbai chapter, to have me here and connect me more and more with you. Few of you are my old friends and always connected to me. But the best part is, it's all about what you're giving. ये औरत की एक अपनी ही मिजाज होता है. कभी भी हर जिंदगी में आप पड़ाव पे जाते हो, जब युवा होते हो, उसके बाद शादी होती है, बच्चे होते हैं, थोड़े आप बड़े हो जाते हो, शादी वैसी ही रहती है, चलती रहती है, चलाते रहते हैं. फिर बाद में जिंदगी के बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, फिर भी चलती रहती हैं, चलाते रहते हैं. बच्चे बड़े होते हैं, उनकी जिंदगी चलाने में हम चलते रहते हैं. Every woman, always, मैं खुद औरत हूँ. I'm a mother of 11, and Miss Poonam Mahajan, they say, I feel really good to hear that. But I have a 11-year-old. I was just 23 when I had him, and a 2-year-old when I was fighting for my election. So when you look back, every time, हर जिंदगी के पड़ाव में, you look back and you say, मैंने कितना दिया, मैं कितना और दे सकती थी, और मैं कितना और देना चाहती हूँ. How much I gave, how much I want to give, and how much I should have given. This attitude of giving, only a woman can give and show, and that strength a woman has, since she is a daughter, a little daughter, when she is a wife, she's a mother, or when she is just a grandmother. I've seen that many a times. In my family now, no man is left, except my brother is there, husband there, but every woman holds a stronger position. Now Sundeep ji has already taken the credit for it, as he's living off his wife in a sweeter manner. which is he told me when I met him first time, I was really proud of him. The pride comes from within, just not in speeches. And I always say, we talk about women empowerment, महिलाओं का सशक्तिकरण. I find this word quite a bogus word. What is women empowerment? You're already empowered. God has created you that strong. What is women empowerment? भाषणों में बोलो, महिलाओं का सशक्तिकरण, मैं महिला हूं और महिलाएं मेरे साथ चलो, आगे बढ़ो. That's not what women empowerment is. As Sundeep ji has rightly corrected, मैं पिछली बार भी कह रही थी नीता जी, कि when a man decides his daughter and his son are equal to him, that is the real equality we have to look at, and that is the empowerment for our society. और कुछ नहीं होता. I always say this, women empowerment is not like you want to pretend to be like a man. No, I'm really sorry. You should look beautiful, you're physically amazing, should wear nice clothes, look nice, look presentable. That's what my mother always used to tell me. What you have, always keep it alive. And that strength, if you wear a beautiful sari and do a beautiful blow dry and put nice makeup, does not mean you're not empowered. Means that you're already empowered and you're trying to show your strength. Why shying away from it? Even in politics, I've seen a lot of women want to wear jackets and try to look more stronger, more, to show that alpha attitude. I said, appearance does not create that attitude. Your work speaks, your words when you speak, and when you do that, that is the strength a woman should show. And that's how all of you are here together. I don't know who your husbands are. I don't know who your children are. But you're here to show that strength, even I have it within. Though it's FICCI auditorium or building some toilets for someone or teaching all these amazing women what they have done in their life, to empower them, not women, just empower someone who is not ready to come up, and you just, अपना हाथ देके आप उनको बाहर लाना चाहते हो. This is what we have learned, and this is what the culture of this country is. As you even see a culture from Mahabharatas, Ramayanas, the woman could be strong, that's why men could take it forward. I'm sorry, again, I will speak for men, but this is how the things are. And I'm so grateful that though everything starts from somewhere, it starts from the FICCI house or it ends somewhere. I had a chat in Mumbai Flow, and when I started discussing that, I'm known as a toilet MP in the last 9 months. Because I believe every woman, what is her respect? She needs one little toilet to go and to change herself, to, shy away from all this. I have seen the constituency where I contest from, where I've won from. You must be looking at Bandra Pali Hill, but actually 80% is completely shanties, and a lot of people know how the constituency is. So what you have to give them to empower them, to make their mind feel that stronger, to make their mind stronger. पैसे से कोई empower नहीं होता. My mother always used to tell me that अपने जिंदगी में हम ज्वेलरी देते हैं, बच्चे आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, we buy bigger houses, cars, we say कि ये अगली generation के लिए ठीक रहेगा, हमारी पीढ़ियों के लिए ठीक रहेगा. लेकिन I believe there's only one legacy which you can take it forward. Is two things. One is education. If that legacy you give it to your children and anyone else, that legacy will take this society forward, which you're doing, and I'm really, really thankful to you that you concentrated on that legacy of this country, the culture, and the way we should look forward as the country. महिलाओं की ताकत, I think FICCI's very big function had happened before our elections, and the Prime Minister had come here. Here or I maybe Taj. Meridian, sorry, एक ही हो गया. And where he spoke splendidly, after such a long time, I saw women coming out and looking at someone and thinking that I want this person to take this country forward and I am with them. You know why I feel women are more stronger? Because when I contested, and I always used to go to these Mahila Morchas program where women, सब महिलाओं को हम इकट्ठे करते थे, उनसे बात करते थे. This is the power of women. When we used to go and ask for a vote, we always used to talk to them and ask them कि आप महिला हैं, आप वोट करेंगी. And I always used to all the time push it, महिला वोट करेगी, महिला वोट करेगी. Someone asked me, आप महिलाओं को क्यों इतना बोल रहे वोट करेंगी? मैंने, when a woman decides, she does not decide alone, she influences 10 other. With me, one man can vote for me, but once I tell a woman, it just, this is how our communication system is. अरे वो पूनम खड़ी है, अरे वो पूनम खड़ी है, अच्छी अच्छी अच्छी, उसके कपड़े अच्छे अच्छे, वो ठीक बोलती है. So it's very easy to market myself free of cost. That's how all of us are. So women are like that, mass of information or connecting each other or something you like, you very openly connect with that. And then it's a very good communication with everyone and it comes together. So I know, जब मैं महिलाओं को वोट मांगने जाती हूँ, एक को बोलूंगी तो 10 आ जाएंगे, पुरुषों को एक बोलूंगी तो एक ही आ जाता है. So that's how the women power is also in politics. And we are lucky. The Prime Minister got this strength, this time, first time in Indian history, maximum member of parliament, women parliamentarian are sitting in Lok Sabha. This is the first time in our 65 years of history. And I'm very proud maximum are from BJP and I'm one of them and I'm really proud. This is how we have to look forward. I believe that we need some kind of reservation, some kind of space to give, to take things forward. But how long can we have that? How long can we just wait for some kind of एक टुकड़ा फेंके और वो लेके उसके आगे बढ़ाए? क्यों नहीं हम यही सोचे कि जो कुछ है इक्वालिटी पे है. I don't want to fight with you with my gender. I just want to fight on equality and this is what I believe in. So I congratulate Ficky Flo. It's actually Ficky Flower. All our beautiful flowers here, beautiful smells. एक से एक अच्छे परफ्यूम भी लगाए हुए हैं सबने. They're looking so beautiful. और अपने काम की महक आप सब जगह फैलाना चाहते हो, which is brilliant. I'm always connected to you. And there's a very beautiful thing Ficky Flo has done. Easy, understandable law book. How law means to us. Because I also don't understand. Half the times I have to call lawyers, अरे ये मुझे आया, वो मुझे आया, what to do about it. So it's a beautiful book by, do you want me to click a photo with that, madam? Yeah. See, why to miss the opportunity? A woman only can understand that. So law affecting, okay, so, okay. Okay, so I get 2 more photos. So idea actually helping me. So law affecting women in India. And it's very, very important. I spoke in the parliament when there was a discussion going on under our Minister Menka Gandhi ji. So she had given us opportunity to speak in the parliament. And I spoke, I didn't want to speak much about women. I just said how we have National Human Rights Commission. We need that strength to Women Rights, National Human Rights Commission. We need that kind of strength to Human Rights Commission and to National Women Rights Commission. The NWC does not have teeth, does not have nails. It cannot prosecute, it cannot question, it cannot do anything. So I recommended the government, and I hope the government listens to me, though it's my government, but I really have to push for it, because it's a very important law. If you make National Women's Commission, just like on Human Rights Commission, which has strength, which has teeth to bite and shout and strong, we can fight it, we can prosecute, we can take things forward, then only the countries, this easily understandable book will be used more frequently. Many things, 2 more chapters, madam, since I've come, Indore and Pune. Pune, a very young dynamic chief minister had gone, he had told me it was a beautiful program. So 2 young chapters. You're doing skilling to women. It's a brilliant idea and I always support it. And the sad part is only about skilling. We stop ourselves to a computer education, eyebrows, upper lips, waxing, or maybe something related to clothes. Why can't we look beyond for a woman to take a different kind of skill? You think about it, maybe I'm wrong. But I always feel, even me, I built these as an MP, smaller places where I want girls to learn skill. There's only 3 things. They want to learn beauty parlor seekhna, ye seekhna, wo seekhna. These are just few skills. There are almost 890 skills in Gujarat government which have been offered to Gujarati youngsters. Why can't we work on more skills? It's just my idea. If we can work on more skills where women can be empowered, girls can be empowered and take something really different. Journalism, why not? We need smart politicians. Still, nothing has changed. You see it every day. We need smart lawyers from these smaller little houses. These girls fight more strongly than girls living in bigger houses. I really believe in that. So this is what we need. We need skilling in a very different part. I just want to thank for one thing. Nari Shakti hai. भक्ति करते हैं सब लोग. मैं मैडम को भी वही कह रही थी, नीता जी को, कि महिलाओं के बहुत अलग अलग रूप है। अभी नवरात्रि हुई और मैं हर वक्त कहती हूँ कि महिला इसी रूप में आती है, कभी माँ सरस्वती बन के अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाती है, लिखाती है, उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, समाज आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उस रूप से खड़ी रहती है। माँ अन्नपूर्णा के रूप से महिला अपने बच्चों को पौष्टिक आहार देती है, आगे बढ़ाती है। और जब उसके परिवार पे कोई देखे बुरी नजर दिखा के, तो माँ दुर्गा की भी ताकत यही महिला रखती है। ये ताकत, दिस वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट इज सिटिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। सो इसी महिला शक्ति को मेरा नमन। आई होप FICCI takes more and more things forward, take lawmakers more connected to yours, including me. All of us are ready to connect with you and take these little initiatives on a stronger basis to take this forward. Do it from Swachhata Abhiyan, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Digital India, Make in India, Skill India, anything. Please connect with us and take things forward. We as a government and me as a woman, always ready to do this, as I and you can better multitask than anyone else, any other man in the world. Sorry, Sandeep ji. But, due respect, one man sitting on this stage strongly supporting all of us, and it's brilliant. See, he has no option, so that's the women in power. And Amar Singh uncle is also sitting and quietly listening to us. So this is the strength, this is the power. This power, God keeps us all powerful. इसी शक्ति को आप बेकरार न करते हुए बरकरार रखिए. I always believe in Lord Shiva. And I always say this, एक भगवान से मैं क्यों जुड़ी हुई थी, उसने यही सिखाया था, शिव और शक्ति दो रूप साथ में मिलते हैं. There is a 50-50% partnership, then only it goes forward, and that's why it's called Shiv Shakti. So I hope all of you have that life, and it's quite tough, but all of you have that kind of partnership with your own partner, and that partnership takes you, your life, and your ideas forward. Congratulations. Thank you very, very much to having me here. Thank you very much. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Thank you so much, Poonam ji. That was very inspiring. Now for the highlight of the day, may I request Miss Poonam Mahajan, Mr. Bhuturia and Miss Neeta Bhutra to felicitate the women achievers who have made a mark for themselves worldwide.